Hello viewers, in this video we are going to learn how to send weekly plan through Classera emails. So the first thing is you have to go to the Google Drive where we are uploading the weekly plan, and let's say you are the homeroom teacher for grade 8A2. So click on file in the spreadsheet, click on download, then click on PDF. Once you click on PDF, it will ask you to export it as PDF. Click on export option. You will see it is being downloaded. Okay, see, downloading is done. Now log into your Classera account. Click login. Now go here to mailbox. Click on compose mailbox. In the mailbox, now select here the subject. Let's say weekly plan week 5. Okay, you want to send it to the guardians and the students, so click guardians of grade 8A2 only. So grade 8A2. Now go here, select students, and again 8A2 only, because this weekly plan is only for 8A2. Now go to the body. In this one you can write a message: download the weekly plan. Sorry. Okay, and click on this attachment icon. Click on upload, choose file. It's in the download 8A2. Click open, send it to server. Now this is the one. Click OK. That's it. Click on send and you are done.